Hello everyone and welcome to Kaksha's Scholarship Prep on Verbal Reasoning. Today we'll go through question number 9 of our 1000 question series session where we'll provide you with a question or a problem and you'll have 15 seconds to analyze it and come up with a solution. In this video we'll give you the correct answer to the question and at the same time a full explanation on how we derive to that answer. Bonus will give you tips and tricks on how to tackle questions of this nature. So let's get started. Here is the question. If SBDF is the code for race, then what does GBTU mean? Your options are A. FAST, B. HEST, C. FACT, D. FEAR, or E. RAMP. And your time starts now. All right, folks, time's up. Let's check out the answer. The answer to the question if SBDF is the code for RACE, then what does GBTU mean? The correct answer is A, FAST. Now, let's find out how we came to this answer and problem solve and use our technique which is called pattern identification to come up with a solution. So what we do here is step number 1, we identify the pattern and we compare letters in RACE and SBDF. So what we are going to do here is each letter we are going to shift it forward by 1 in the alphabet. So for RACE that we have written in here, the position of R in A to Z is number 18. And since we are shifting it by 1, what is number 19? S. What comes after R is S. Similarly, A, its alphabet position is 1. When we see A to Z, it's the first letter. So what comes after A, because we are shifting it by 1, is B. C, the alphabet position is 3, and since we are shifting it with 1, what comes after C is D. And with E, the alphabet position is 5. What comes on the 6th position is F. So when we are encoding the alphabet or letters, we have, and we are pushing forward by 1, we got RACE that corresponds to SBDF. So what we are going to do is, since encoding shifts the letters forward, in decoding we are going to shift the letters backwards. So we'll decode G, B, T, U and see what happens. So G, the alphabet position is 7, and since we are shifting by -1 or backwards, the alphabet position 6, F stands in that alphabet position 6. From A to Z, F is the 6th letter in A to Z. So similarly, with B, if you're going backwards, what comes before B is A. T, what comes before T is S. U, what comes before U is T. So in decoding, GBTU corresponds to FAST, and that's option number A, and this is how we derived to our answer, which is option number A, FAST. Now let's further simplify this. Here's a simple visualization of the shift of the patterns. In encoding, we shifted by 1, and then what we have done here is to just simply visualize from A to Z. If we shift R by 1, and it becomes S. If we shift A plus 1 forward, it becomes B. C becomes D. E corresponds to F. So R, A, C, E, this pattern in encoding plus 1 is SBDF. And in decoding, we got G corresponds to F, B corresponds to A, T, S, and similarly U, one alphabet before U is T. So GBTU and then FAST. This is our option A. So let's apply some tips and tricks on how to tackle similar questions. So for solving analogies, number one is we compare letter positions. Look at each other's place in the alphabet. Find whether they are shifting forwards or backwards. Use the alphabet for quick reference. So writing down A to Z, as you could see, it can quickly help identify shifts. Apply the reverse shift to decode. If letters move forward in encoding, move backward for decoding. And eliminate incorrect options. If an option doesn't match the expected letters, just cross them out. Alright folks, I hope this was helpful. You can find out more on the scholarship prep on www.kaksha.com. We create new content every single day, new questions, new content on scholarship prep, and we upload it on our YouTube channel. Our handle is @kaksha.edu. Thank you so much for watching this video, and good luck with your scholarship prep.